Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever thought, I wish I could just grab a house, shrink it down, and take it wherever I go? Well, hold on to your coffee mugs, because the Urban M2 tiny home is about to make that dream a reality. It's the tiny home equivalent of a Swiss Watch X, except it's more like a mini loft with a refrigerator that fits a six-pack of beer and a microwave oven that can do a roast in half the time. Now, before you ask, where do I sign up? Let's dive into why this compact masterpiece might be the answer to your tiny home dreams. But wait, before we get into it, remember to smash that subscribe button because you don't want to miss what's coming next. We're talking tiny homes, cool technology, and all the must-have gadgets that make living small feel a whole lot bigger. Now, the Urban M2 isn't just a place to crash for the weekend. It's a living space that maximizes every inch of its 20 or 22 feet 6.1 or 6.7 meters, depending on the model you choose. This tiny wonder is not just efficient, it's a game changer. Think of it as a mobile city apartment that won't cost you a fortune. The M2 packs full-sized appliances into its compact designies, a full refrigerator, convection microwave oven, gas-powered cooktop, and even an on-demand water heater. Because let's face it, you deserve a hot shower no matter where you are. The cherry on top? A vented washer and dryer combination that'll keep your wardrobe fresh as a daisy, even when you're living the minimalist dream. For storage, the M2 is like Mary Poppins' big extra closets, a cabinet in the bathroom, and even an awning cabinet in the main loft, because who doesn't love a little extra space for their belongings? And while the layout might be small, the livability factor is high. It's got a cozy dining table, a sectional couch for Netflix marathons, and more furniture options than you can shake a stick at. The best part? You can get all of this for a starting price of 89,000 United States dollars, or approximately 82,000 euros, a small price to pay for big-time convenience. Whether you're looking for a compact getaway home or a full-time abode, the Urban M2's got your back. Plus, it's built with quality craftsmanship and urban sophistication that'll make your friends wonder if you just got back from the future. Looking for more details on the Urban M2? Check out the link in the YouTube video description. And hey, if you want to support the channel, there's also a link to become a sponsor. See you in the next video, Road Warriors.